You know what makes for a good project? A good base. Pool is backfilled. They got all their water lines, new skimmer system. Been very busy on the interior work. Just doing a nice job. This will have a whole new liner in it. Caribbean's kicking butt. Pavilion framed out. We've got, you can kind of start to see it now. Turtle Island's framed out. We will have our glass see-through bar overlook right here.
Yeah.
Hey Oscar, can you explain what you guys are doing right here?
Basically, we're gonna put these heavy stones around this big wall around to our.
What's with the lift?
The lift. This my best new friend. This best new toy. They carry all those big stones, around 400 to 500 pounds.
500 pounds each?
Yes.
Hoorah! Who picks them up?
I'm gonna make the border Emilio so I know this.
Booyah! I love it.
So we're gonna go and have fun over here.
Let's do it. Let's have some fun. We got electric. We got low voltage. We got sound systems. You've got the Gruen outdoor experience. Am I right, Richard?